welcomes you all. So friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. In a landmark push towards rural empowerment and youth-driven innovation, Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena inaugurated a state-of-the-art RDD complex, a district resource center and a modern co-working space at Kubarthang in Kargil, marking a significant upgrade in the district administrative and entrepreneurial ecosystem. The RDD building, constructed at a cost of rupees 19.56 crore, incorporate all key officers under a single roof, including Directorate, Assistant Commissioner Development, District Panchayat Officer and others. The building complex has a resource center, library and a conference hall. Addressing the gathering, the LG expressed confidence that the RDD complex and district resource center would play a pivotal role in strengthening rural planning, institutional capacity and the overall delivery of the governance in the district. He said the new facilities would enable more effective and well-coordinated implementation of development programs, particularly benefiting rural and remote areas of the Kargil. The Ladakh administration undertook a comprehensive assessment of the security arrangements and logistical preparedness in Zanskar ahead of the proposed visit of the holy relic of Thathagata, signaling a coordinated effort to ensure orderly conduct of the anticipated religious event. Commissioner Secretary for Tourism and Culture Sanjeet Roderick led a high-level delegation to the subdivision, accompanied by the Additional Deputy Commissioner Kargil Shabir Hussain, Additional Superintendent of the Police Ishtiaq Kacho and other senior functionaries. Subdivisional Magistrate Zanskar Omkar Rajinder Gundej guided the officials through key locations identified for the reception and veneration of the relic. The team inspected both the civil and the army helipads, which are being considered for facilitating the arrival, with attention to operational feasibility and security coordination. The visit also focused on evaluating infrastructure readiness and reinforcing the security framework for the relic's transportation from Leh. The LG of Ladakh, Vinay Kumar Saxena, has stated today that the proposed expansion of the runway at Kargil Airport is currently pending due to the absence of a detailed technical report. Addressing concerns regarding the long-standing demand for making Kargil Airport fully operational for civilian flights, the LG highlighted that the existing runway is relatively short and the scope for widening is also limited. He emphasized that no final decision can be taken until the technical feasibility report is received and reviewed by the concerned authorities. The runway at Kargil is small and even the widening margin is minimal. We are awaiting the technical report. Once it is received and found feasible, the process for runway widening and extension will be initiated subject to necessary permissions, the LG said. The expansion of the runway is seen as a crucial step toward improving air connectivity in the region. Officials also believe that a longer and wider runway would enable the operation of larger aircraft, thereby making Kargil Airport fully functional for the commercial use. In a concerted effort to bridge healthcare gaps in Ladakh, remote frontier areas, a medical camp was conducted in Pungung village, catering to more than 100 residents, including both adults and children. Organized under the aegis of the Fire and Fury Corps, the initiative brought essential medical services directly to a region where the access of healthcare remains constrained due to geographical isolation and harsh climate conditions. Despite adverse weather and the challenges posed by the high altitude terrain, villagers turned out in considerable numbers to avail themselves of medical consultations, basic treatments and health checkups. The response underscored both the pressing need for such outreach programs and the trust placed by the local communities in these efforts. Officials associated with the camp indicated that the initiative forms part of a broader outreach strategy aimed at ensuring that residents in border areas are not deprived of fundamental healthcare services. Regular engagement through such camps has been instrumental in addressing routine medical concerns and raising awareness about preventive healthcare in these underserved regions. Chairman and Chief Executive Councillor of the LHDC Kargil, Mohammad Jafar Akhoon, inaugurated the Hajj Orientation and Training Program for Hajj 2026 at Sayyid Mehdi Memorial Auditorium Hall in Kargil, marking the formal commencement of the preparatory activities for the annual pilgrimage. The program, organized by the Hajj Committee Kargil, brought together selected pilgrims from across Kargil district alongside public representatives, religious scholars and officials. The event opened with a recitation from the Holy Quran, setting the tone for the proceedings. In his welcome address, Ali Chandan stressed the importance of structured orientation sessions in ensuring the pilgrims are adequately informed about the procedures and rituals associated with the pilgrimage. He urged participants to engage actively with the training modules to avoid difficulties during the journey. Addressing the gathering, Dr. Akhoon congratulated the selected pilgrims and expressed confidence that the training program would help them to undertake the pilgrimage with preparedness and clarity. He also appealed them to remember Ladakh in their prayers, particularly for peace and development in the region. So friends, we will meet later with more updates and information. Thanks for keep watching us. Thank you so much and good afternoon.